Good morning friends. In this video, we'll solve this question. Let me read out the question. Construct a minimal DFA over alphabets A, P for a language L which accepts strings contains even number of A's and even number of B's. Okay. So, I hope you have understood the question. They are asking that the string should consist of even number of A's and even number of B's. Now, this question can be solved in two ways. But before solving the actual question, I will tell what the people will misunderstand from this question and solve it in a different way. Means I want to tell what is the mistake usually students will do. They will think that, sir, as it is even number of A's, 2 A's even, 2 B's even, if I combine I will get even number of string only. If I have 2 A's and 2 B's, the total string length is even. Am I right? The total string length is even, so they will think that I can construct the DFA like this, Q0, let me write it big, Q0, and then they will write Q1 on A and B. Q0 will act as the initial state and final state. They will write like this. Now what is the problem with this one, we will discuss. If you see the even number of A's, even number of B's, it is okay. Now AA, BB belongs to language L, yes, because it consists of even number of A's and even number of B's. We will check it whether it is accepting or not. From initial state Q0, on A we will go to Q1. From Q1 on A you will go to Q0. Q0 on B you will go to Q1. Q1 on B you came to Q0. Q0 is the initial state or final state? Yeah, it is the initial state and also final state. My point is that whether Q0 is a final or non-final state. Q0 is a final state, so it is accepting. Okay, no problem. Let me see the counter example. When I can say my DFA is correct, it should not accept the strings which does not belongs to language L. Let me take a string which does not belongs to language L. Whether this string belongs to language L? No, because you have odd number of A's and odd number of B's. But what it is saying? Even number of A's and even number of B's. So it is not correct. But whether my DFA, whatever I have constructed, will it accept or not? It will accept. If you want, you can check it. Q0 on A, it will go to Q1. Q1 on A, it will go to Q0. Q0 on A, you will come to Q1. Q1 on B, you will go to Q0. Q0 on B, you will come to Q1. Is it clear? Q1 on B, you will go to Q0. So Q0 is a final state which is accepting, but it should not accept. So whatever the DFA you have constructed is wrong. So our assumption is wrong. If the even number of A's and even number of B's are there, then the string will be even, but all even length strings will satisfy. My point is that all even length strings will not satisfy this condition. The example is 3A's and 3B's. Okay, so I hope you have understood the mistake usually people will do. So now we will solve this question. This question can be solved in two ways, but I will explain the one question, means one solution among the two, which will make you understand and you can able to solve these kind of questions very easily. Okay, first let me separate this question. First I will solve the strings which accepts even number of A's. Okay, I will not worry about the B's. I will only solve for the even number of A's. If it is even number of A's, Q0 is the initial state and final state. On A it will go to Q1. On A it will go to Q1. And any number of B's it should accept. Whether this one will accept the even number of A's or not. Yes, it will accept the even number of A's. If you want to check, you can check it. B, A, B, which consists of even number of A's. But I am not worrying about the number of B's. Let me make it simple like this. B, A. B, A is even number of A's. I am not worrying about how many B's are there. Okay. So from Q0 on B, I am in the Q0. Q0 on A, I am coming to Q1. Q1 on A, I am going back to Q0. So it is accepting the even number of A's. I am not worrying about the even number of B's here. Now I will solve, or I will construct the another minimized DFA for finding the even number of B's. Let me write this one as Q2. This is my Q3. Now Q2 will act as the initial state and final state. I should accept the even number of B's. So 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B. I am accepting the even number of B's. What about the A's? I will not worry about the number of A's. If you want to check, you can check it. A, B, B. Okay. 2 even number of B's are there. Whether it is accepting or not. From Q2 on A, you will go to Q2. Q2 on B, you will go to Q3. Q3 on B, you will go to Q2, which is a final state. So it is accepting the even number of B's. So what I can say, this is the minimized DFA for even number of A's. This is for minimized DFA for even number of B's. Are you able to understand it or not? Means we have split this question into two parts. First I got the DFA for even number of A's and I got the DFA for even number of B's. Now with this one I will get the final solution. How I will get the final solution? The question they have asked is that even number of A's and even number of B's. So what people will think it is that this is even number of A's, this is even number of B's. If I join both of them, done. But that is not the correct. You should not apply the means like connection from Q1 to Q2. You should not apply. It is not join called DBMS. Is it clear? It is TOC concept. So join, my point is that if you connect these two, will not act. You will not give the correct DFA. Okay. Now what is the solution we should do? The solution we should do is that, let me write it here. We have to apply the cross product or Cartesian product. Okay, the cross product, what it is say, why I can use to cross product, there is an AND operation is there, even number of A's and even number of B's. So you should apply the Cartesian product between this DFA and this DFA. How I can apply the cross product? You take the states which belongs to this DFA and you take the states which belongs to this DFA. Okay, for DFA 1 you take the states, for DFA 2 you take the states, you apply the cross product. How you will get the cross product? Q0 you will apply with the combination with Q2 and Q3. So you will get a states called Q0, Q2, Q0, Q3. And if you apply with the Q1, you will get Q1, Q2, Q1, Q3. Is it clear? So these are the 4 states you will get. Okay. So let me draw the DFA. So those 4 states will act as like Q0, Q2, okay, Q0, Q3, okay, Q1, Q2, Q1, Q3. These are the 4 states you got. Now let me write it this one. Okay, let me draw like this. Q0, Q2, Q0, Q3, Q1, Q2, Q1, Q3. Is it clear? Now I need to find about the transitions. Q0 on A, where it is going, how I will get it is Q0 on A, let me erase this one. Q0, Q2 on A, where I have to go do, I have to check it. Now if you see that Q0 on A, where it is going in this one, it is going to Q1. And Q2 on A, where it is going, it is Q2. So from Q0 on A, Q0 on A, here it is going to Q1. On Q2 on A, it is going to Q2 here. So what is the state it is going? From Q0, Q2, it is going on A here. Q1, Q2, it is going. Is it clear? Now on B, where it is going, we will check it. Q0 on B, Q2 on B, where it is going? Q0 on B, it is going to Q0. Q2 on B, it is going to Q3. So on B, it is going to Q0, Q3 state. So you need to find a state which is combination of these two. These two is Q0, Q3. So on B, it is going this one. So we got on Q0, Q2. We'll see on Q1, Q2. Q1, Q2 on A, where it is going? It is going to Q0. Q2 on A, it is going to Q2. So on A, it is going here. Okay, we'll see on B. On B, Q1 on B, where it is going? Q1 itself. Q2 on B, Q2 on B it is going to Q3. So Q1, Q2 on B it is going to Q1, Q3. Are you able to understand? So Q1, Q2 done. Now we will solve the next one. Q0, Q3. Q0, Q3 on A where it is going? Q0 on A it is going to Q1. Q3 on A it is going to Q3. So Q0 on A it is going to Q1. Here it is going. So Q1 it is going to Q1, Q3. On B where it is going? On B, Q0 on B where it is going? Q0 itself. Q3 on B it is going to Q2. Q3 on B it is going to Q2. So Q0 Q3 on B it is going to Q0 Q2. So this is one. Okay. A and B it is done. Now we'll solve the last one, Q1 Q3. See, it will take some time, but be patient so that you can understand the solution and you can find the solution for similar type of questions. I can construct it in a simple way, directly like this, but I am solving it in this way. Q1 on A, where it is going to Q0. Q3 on A, where it is going? Q3 itself. So from Q1, Q3, where it is here. On A, it is going to Q0, Q3. Okay. Now Q1, Q3 on B, where it is going? Q1, Q3, Q1 on B, it is going to Q1. Q3 on B, it is going to Q2. So Q1, Q2 it is going. So on B, it is going like this. So we got all the transitions. Now we will check what is the initial state and final state, because any DFA you should have the initial states and final states. Now think about it. In this DFA, what is the initial state? Q0. What is the initial state in this one? Q2. So in this one, the combination of this one, Q0 and Q2 will act, combinedly will act as an initial state. Is it clear? Let me repeat again. In this DFA, you have a Q0 is the initial state and Q2 is the initial state. So take the combined Q0, Q2 will act as an initial state. The same for the final state. Which is acting as a final state here? Q0. Which is the state which is acting here? Q2. So Q0, Q2 will act as a final state. So this is the initial state and this is the final state. So we have constructed the DFA. Now let me check it whether our DFA is correct or not. We'll take one example, even number of A's and even number of B's. We will check it whether it is accepting or not. Q0, Q2 on A, where it is going? Q0, Q2, it is going to Q1, Q2. It is going to Q1, Q2. Q1, Q2 on A, it is going back to Q0, Q2. Q0, Q2 on B, it is going to Q0, Q3. On B, it is going to Q0, Q3. From Q0, Q3 on B, you are going back to Q0, Q2. Is it clear? So, I am reaching to a final state. So, I can say that it is accepting. If I want to take a counter example, let me take a counter example which does not belong to the string. Whether it is accepting or not, we will see. A, B, whether it belongs to long ways L? No, it does not belong to long ways L. Why? Because it contains of odd number of A's and odd number of B's. But the long ways consists of only even number of A's and even number of B's. So what my DFA should do? It should not accept. Okay, let me see whether it is accepting or not. I am in the initial state called Q0, Q2. On A, where I will go? I will go to Q1, Q2. Q0, Q2 on A, you are going to state called Q1, Q2. Q1, Q2 on B, where I am going? Q1, Q2 on B, I am going to state called Q1, Q3. Now, from the initial state, by taking the AB as an input, you have reached a state called Q1, Q3. Now, Q1, Q3 is a final state. No, it is a non-final state. If you reach a non-final state, what I can say? This DFA is not accepting the string. So what I can say is that it is accepting the strings which belongs to language L, and it is not accepting the strings which does not belongs to language L. If you want to check, you can stop the video and you can check it whether it is accepting all the strings which belongs to language L and whether it is not accepting or not for the strings which does not belong to language L. If you find anything which whatever I have done, if you feel that it is wrong, you can give the in the comment section. Okay, but I can say that it is accepting all the strings which belongs to language L and it does not accept the strings which does not belongs to language L. So for this question, this is the correct answer. Okay, thank you so much.